You support Obamacare as it stands now?
Do you agree with the Affordable Care Act?
Obamacare.
Obamacare or the Affordable Care Act?
People have such strong opinions about Obamacare.
Dear U.S. Congress,
we feel that Obamacare is a huge issue in America as of right now.
Some people don't even know the difference between Obamacare and the Affordable Care Act, but they're the same thing.
We're talking about health care today, and which plan do you support? Obamacare or the Affordable Care Act?
The Affordable Care Act.
And what is it about Obamacare that you do not like?
I just think that there's a lot of holes in it.
like we said before, they are the same thing.
So ask yourself, do you truly know what Obamacare is and how it will affect you?
What is Obamacare?
Obamacare, also known as the Affordable Care Act, is aimed to reform the current healthcare system.
What are some conditions of Obamacare? With Obamacare, you are allowed to stay on your parents' plan until you are 26. You are also allowed to get coverage no matter what past conditions say. There are no annual or lifetime limits on healthcare, and charges stay the same no matter what gender. These are only a few of the conditions of Obamacare, for Obamacare includes lots of little details.
That sounds simple, right?
Well, it's not, at all.
Obamacare actually causes a lot of controversy, believe it or not.
But why would it cause controversy? As you probably already know, there are many different types of political groups, but there are two very important ones that are critical to Obamacare. The Democrats are one of two, and this is their political icon. And the Republicans, whose political icon is being shown now. As this picture demonstrates, the Republicans and the Democrats have two very different opinions on Obamacare. The Republicans feel that the Affordable Care Act, or Obamacare, is a socialistic idea because the government is forcing us to get health care. The Democrats, on the other hand, don't really have a problem with Obamacare.
We went out on the streets and asked people their opinions on Obamacare.
Here are their opinions.
I support Obamacare because it gives everyone an affordable chance for health care.
My name is Amy Bowers, and I am a social worker. I have my master's in social work, and I work as the pediatric oncology social worker at Greenville Memorial Hospital in the Children's Hospital. Obamacare and the mandates that come with it have affected our office in several ways. First, there are many new parts of the Medicaid program that are now managed by lots of different agencies. So each Medicaid plan has a different manager. So we have some Medicaid programs managed by health insurance companies, some Medicaid programs mandated or coordinated by the state. Also, we have patients who otherwise might have had a pre-existing condition prior to this, and now they will be able to get health insurance without being penalized for having a pre-existing condition. There's some good things about it that have affected us, and then there are some pretty difficult things to get through since it's also new.